Layla and the Wolf. Once upon a time, there was a girl called Layla, and this is what happened to her one day. Her mother said to her, "Take this food basket to your grandma, but be careful and never speak with anyone on the way." Layla said, "Okay, Mom, don't worry." While she was walking through the wood, she saw a wolf. He said,
"How are you, cutie? Would you like to play with me?"
"No, thanks. I'm in a hurry. I want to go to my grandma's cottage and give her this food basket," she replied.
"Why don't you pick some flowers for your grannies?"
said the wolf. Layla liked the idea. Meanwhile, the wolf went hurriedly to the grandmother's cottage. While she was making her bed, she saw him through the window. She was so scared and hid in the closet. He got into the cottage and saw the bed empty. He slept in it thinking that she was out. Finally, Layla got to the cottage and saw the door open. She was carrying the food basket in one hand and some flowers in the other. "How are you, Granny?" said Layla. "What happened to you? Why have your ears grown so long? And your mouth so big? Why have your teeth become very sharp and scary?"
"I'm ill, Layla,
said the wolf.
"and this is why my voice has changed, and this is why I look different."
Layla didn't believe what she had heard. He said,
"My ears have become large so that I can hear you well. My mouth has become big and my teeth sharp to eat you. I'm the wolf."
He was just about to eat her when she screamed, "Help me! Help me!" A woodcutter heard her scream and hurried to help her. He hit the wolf with his axe, and the wolf ran away. And so the woodcutter saved Layla and her grandmother. End of story. Goodbye.